Hello friends. Today I will tell you what you need to feed tomatoes during flowering. Since at this moment the plant forms buds and ovaries, and this consumes a lot of energy and nutrition from the soil. And this top dressing will help the plant build up a powerful root system. The stem will become thick and there will be a lot of harvest. Top dressing is very simple, organic, and anyone can cook it. Because for its preparation we need 1 quart of water and the most common tomato paste. For this volume of water, 4 tablespoons are required. And this is what we get a concentrate. In a jar it's just easier to mix pata with water. Then I pour this jar into 10 quarts of water and mix it in the same way. All fertilizer is ready. And now I will feed and tell you what the benefits of tomato paste are. Firstly, tomato paste is easier and cheaper to buy than mineral fertilizers. Because there is not always a garden store nearby, but there is definitely a grocery store. Also, tomato paste is pure organic matter. It completely decomposes in the soil and is absorbed by the plant. And for those who did not know, any top dressing is aimed at feeding the microorganisms living in the soil, and already in the process of their vital activity, readily available food for plants is produced. So the chemical composition of tomato paste is rich in vitamins, amino acids, alpha and beta carotene, as well as vital minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, sodium, magnesium and calcium, which during flowering are very necessary to tomatoes. And the last most important plus of this top dressing is that it is impossible for her to overfeed the plants or harm them from an overdose. Under each adult tomato plant, pour 1 quart of top dressing. Please note that the soil under the tomatoes must first be watered. This must be remembered as a rule and applied before making any dressings. And you can do such top dressing 1 time per week, until the beginning of the fruiting of tomatoes. It is better, of course, to alternate fertilizing, to enrich the soil with a varied diet. And about other options for dressing tomatoes, I will tell you soon. So subscribe to my channel and do not miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you.